What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We don't have any music going on today. We just kind of got up and got started. Baby just fell asleep. I'm excited to start looking at all these tokens. Anyways, we're looking at Chili's because Chili's just did something cool. Chili's managed to break out of a rising wedge. Go figure. Measured move after successful backtest, of course. You're looking at 6.4%. I am aggressively trading these. I know nobody is hearing this beginning portion unless you're seeing the live stream later. I appreciate you for looking at it. Anyways, looking to see if we're gonna hold this level. I am trading currently at the moment. Phone is out. Phone is out. Trading. What is that? What is that? Alrighty. So we have our level we are targeting. We are hitting overhead resistance also. So that's something we got to be very careful of because we could literally just pull straight down to the bottom, which would stop me out. And yeah, considering Jerome Powell was talking earlier, man, just stopped me out of my FTM trade. Stop loss hunters. It was so sad. So sad. Looking at FTM, this wick right here is what stopped me out. Now you see us breaking out right now. I could jump into this trade as well. I really could right now because short-term move. So this is what happens when I day trade. I have the worst ADD on the planet. 3% move, you'll see me degen my way throughout the markets. You'll see me degen my way through it. I'm not even joking. Because every once in a while I go with a 20x leverage, and I'm jumping into this because it's moving faster than Chili's. Yeah, I'll jump in with like 20x leverage, just grabbing every little bit of gains that I can, because yeah, I'm the worst degenerate I know. At times, as long as things line up and make sense, I'm willing to take the trade. So we have our stop loss down here, 544. So we have it kind of deep because I don't really want to get stopped out again after it roasted me earlier. How low can I get this at? Wow, that's really low. Holy moly. And then I ran out of alerts. Dang. Ran out of alerts. Anyways, profit taking level right here, 057. 388. That'll be a nice little move to the upside. We'll close out the position. The nice part about where we are currently on these charts, FTM, not only does it have to break above this little 50 simple moving average, no big deal, it also has to break this down sloping level of resistance, and that move happens to coincide with testing that level. So I can actually take profit before the breakout and then enter another trade. When I say I become a degen sometimes, you'll learn. You'll learn how bad it can get. So I'm just doing some live trades right now while the crypto market is deciding to pump like crazy. And then my long-term trades are still open, so I do have a buy down. Oh, I can get rid of this. Nice. I can get rid of that. But I did buy in as soon as we back tested, and I do expect 71% gains, so I have a trade open for that. I'm just entering multiple other trades to see if we can scalp some tiny little gains. If we come down to these lower time frames, like the 15-minute, come down to like the 7-minute, you're going to notice you can find a lot of opportunity, especially the 7-minute. You just broke back above the 50 simple moving average, and now you're looking to hold support and getting this measured move to the upside. It's only a 3.8%, but high enough leverage. That could be a very nice move. Could be a very nice move. Low leverage, well, 30%, still, well, 38%. Still not bad if you're on 10x. 15% if you're on 5x. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. But yeah, the whole market is pumping like crazy today. And I become like I become a mess whenever I look at so many things in the green. But We need to center ourselves, bring us back to Bitcoin here. So what Bitcoin did today was actually great. You came down, you back tested former support, you held, you came back above this trend line of support, this green line, and you back tested it and you're holding as of right now. The longer this holds, the more opportunity we have to go test the top of this range, which could be up at 25,000. We still have to break above 24,272, but as soon as we break above that, you're looking for 25K once again. We haven't seen 25K in a long time, so it'll be nice to get back there. We haven't seen 25,000 since August 17th. It's been a while. Hopefully we remember what it looks like. I think we brought pictures. Pictures. We won't lose them in the airport. That's nice. Looks like we're getting a mild pullback on FTM. Mild pullback. Oof. Am I about to get toasted on this trade or not? Probably because that's just what happens to degens. It's just what happens to us degens. We get roasted on trades that we are otherwise not supposed to be in. However, this red candle, that was a Jerome candle. That wasn't fair. That was not fair. Because I entered in right here on the back test and support, which also I need to, there you go, and support. Not fair, Jerome. Playing a hard game out here. Playing a hard game. But yeah, so this is what I see out of FTM. Let's go ahead and check. Let's check out the golden child of the day, which is currently about to continue its parabolic run, and 16% possible gains upon breakout and backtest. 50% to the upside so far out of GRT. And I feel ridiculous because I did short. I think it was actually right here. I got out of my short and then I realized it came down here like, I could have shorted more. Did not know this was going to happen. Didn't see it coming. I can admit it. I did not see it coming. Well, it looks like we're finally hitting some resistance. If we get that break above, it's going to be ridiculous. GRT. I mean, I think I said it a while ago. I was like, don't be surprised if GRT goes up like 60% in a day because of lack of volume in between those two areas. What am I doing? Lack of volume between those two areas. Let's go out to the daily and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So between this area and this area, not much trading has happened. So everybody talking about, oh my god, this is such a crazy move. No one could have seen it or whatever. Nope. The warning was out over here. If you break above and backtest and hold, that is your area in which you could see amazing upswings, 71% to the upside. And you can see it fast. Now, could any other token do this? Yeah, probably. I even want to say I made a video about it last night. Because if we check the daily, we are currently backtesting for FTM, who I am trying to take a simple little 3% trade right now for the moment, but also in a long-term trade. 71% upside. You could see the same type of movement out of Phantom. Reason being, you look at this, that's not very much trading that happened in this area. Not much at all. Nothing happened here. Nothing. You barely consolidated. All you did was go straight up. That's it. You're fighting against the last levels of resistance before you go straight up. So, don't be surprised if FTM, currently in this parabolic trend, does 71% from this scruffy little level, which was once resistance, now is support. Don't be surprised. And then, you know for certain, you break above 59669, you're off to the races. You're off to the races. Enjoy. Have fun. Send a postcard from space because you're there. Anyways, enough of that tangent. Let's get back to my 7-minute on this chart. We're still looking solid. Trade is alive. We're all well. However, it seems like it's losing some steam. I don't like that. I don't like it losing steam. I don't know what these traders have in store for FTM, but are they going to try and do some aggressive plays here? I don't know. I don't know. Algorand's having a pretty good day. AVAX made a video about this. This is a big deal. It's a big deal. 4-hour time frame. You have nothing but room to run to the upside. What did you do? It's the exact same thing as Chili's. You had this rising wedge pattern. You broke out of. You back tested the lower trend line. Broke out again. Now you're back testing the top trend line and a former resistance, which is now flipping into support. This is a big, big deal. You have 20% upside potential if the buyers will it. Made the video, dropped it out there. Hopefully you guys saw it. Hopefully you got in at this level down here because you can have a nice stop loss below 1866 just in case it decides to wick down there and steal everybody's liquidity. As you can see, not very much liquidity in here. So that's why people get stopped out. And yeah, so AVAX, we called it. Discord saw it first. If you're not a part of Discord, please get into the links below. Get into the Discord. It's a great place to be. Great place to get updates. Great place to have requests and everything like that. Oh, let's check out our trade again. We're going to keep coming back to FTM until I'm out of my trade. Till I'm out of it. Just going to keep coming back. Because this is what we call a trading day. When the markets are moving like this, this is when we try and capitalize. Alright, so we're still in the trade. We're still good. We have not broken resistance. You know what? I need an alert right here to see if we break resistance. Or support. Sorry, not resistance. Support. If we happen to break support, I am in danger. I'm in danger. Let's go ahead and check out Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu has had a wonderful run. It's flagging out. Wow. Shiba getting ready to run again. We can get rid of this parabolic thing here. Shiba getting ready to run again. Huh. That's actually very interesting. On the 4-hour, this is a great consolidation. You tried already to break out. You tried. Shiba might actually have a good day tomorrow. Look at that. Look at that. Measured moves going to be this right here. Bring it out. Oh, wow. Shiba Inu. Looking to paint some green, provided you hold support. Breaking 2 different resistance levels, 24% upside potential, and this should happen tomorrow. Shiba Inu. Who would have thought? What? It looks great. Looks absolutely great. I love to see it. Let's go down to the daily. Let's see if we have to wait even longer. Ooh. Alright, the daily doesn't look so hot. Daily looks like you might have a little bit of downturn still to go. That's not very oof. If you do get a green day tomorrow, it'll be bullish engulfing. We can say that much. It'll be bullish engulfing. So the pot. Oh, and the move would be longer. Hold on. Hold on. The move would actually be longer. You could actually measure it like this. If the breakout happens tomorrow, the move could be a little bit bigger. A little bit bigger. Me personally, I'd be conservative. I'd take it at this 17508. I don't like to play around too much with that extra little, what 24 or 6%. If I already got 24, I'm not worried about the last 6. Me personally, I'm not worried about it. Just kind of how I am. Anyways, that's Shiba Inu. Let's go ahead and look at SNX. I didn't even realize how good SNX looked. Wow. I need to clean up this chart. I'm going to do that right now. Right now. Live on stream. We are going to clean this chart. Oh, it's also hitting the 50 simple moving average on the weekly. It invalidated its bearish divergence on the daily. That's beautiful. I had way too many lines there. What was I doing? What in the world? I think I did the TA on this one a while ago. Wow. Wowzers. You're hitting your head up against resistance at the moment. And you're breaking out from it. SNX actually is gearing up for a big move. Oh, what is going on with this market? I gotta look at total 3. These alt, like, we're having an alt season right now. It's kind of wild. That's the next target after. If I could draw this properly, my goodness. Candle close. There we go. And candle close right here. All right, we got our major resistances for the time being. Otherwise, that would be a big move. Anyways, for the time being, got our measurements in. Let's go ahead and go down to the daily so we can further see what we've done. Looks weird. Looks weird. I guess we can do something like this. Yes, we can. 3 points of contact. There we go. There we go. Really? That little... I guess this? Or do we pull it all the way back here? Pull it all the way back there. That's what we do. Pull it all the way back there. Taking it from deep in the backfield. Measured. Wow. This move's just getting started for SNX. Just getting started. We have the makings of an all-star athlete right here. We have the makings of an all-star athlete. Okay. So, interestingly enough, you have put in what so many of these tokens have been putting in. What in the world is going on out here? So you are currently in this rising channel. You could bounce around in it. You could break out of it. Kind of the only two things that have been happening lately. And considering you are breaking above, if you get a candle high close above this resistance and you backtest it as support tomorrow, there's not much stopping you from seeing $4.07 once again, which is 40% upside. That's really not bad. That's not bad at all. And considering you just invalidated your hidden bearish divergence that was forming from this peak over here, which was a lower high, that's wild. You still have hidden bearish divergence, don't get me wrong. Just because you have a peak from back here, a higher peak, a third higher peak, waning momentum, but it does look like you are trying to curve to the upside and get a lot more gains. 40% upside is the target. That is crazy. And the funnier part, if we take this entire move, the entire measured move upon a breakout and backtest, you could go even higher. You could break above, backtest, and focus on the next level above it right after. SNX looks pretty darn good if the buyers keep going. So let's see how strong this golden cross for Bitcoin is, because these altcoins are ready to rally. I would suspect a little bit of a pullback because you do have 2 levels of resistance, but your pullback might not be that deep. You might just come down here to like the heart line right in the middle. You might just pull back down there. That's what I would expect, a small pullback before taking off. And if that is the case, I mean, maybe your breakout will be right here, possibly. What day says 7th and 12th? Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. We will see. I'm not positive, but it does look decent. Looks like FTM's taking a little cool off. Bitcoin's taking a little cool off. Let's see. Chili's It's having a lot of trouble breaking through resistance. That's a shame. Let's look at curve. Curve, interesting little setup. Currently trying to break out as well. You're seeing a lot of these tokens trying to break out. This is a double top. Oof. If it does not break out here, you're looking for a retracement back down to 71.57. You're looking for that retracement if you cannot break this. Let's go ahead and check the daily just to see what's going. Yeah, the daily, we'll see. Well, you see this double top right here? That's the worrisome thing. That's what has me worried. No, FTM's coming down. No, my degen ways. They're going south. But yeah, double tops always get me worried. I would expect a little bit of a pullback. However, the stochastic on the daily is already reset while you've been just running into this resistance nonstop. So we could just absorb the supply and move to the upside. We're going to have to wait and see. So I'm on a wait and see for CRV. With CRV also, you have this nice level of support. You are hitting up against it. So this could be considered a ascending angle, ascending triangle, thing like that. Oh, FTM's coming back to life. Let's go. So yeah, if you do break out, you need to break this level, hold it as support, and then get going. CRV, keep it on the radar. It is looking. I mean, keep the whole crypto space on the radar right now. Holy, it's gonna be hard to keep up. Yeah, you guys, you just drop your requests. Everything probably looks good. Here is an honorable mention. This thing I do believe is going to be one of the greatest parabolic runs we see. And that GRT's up 55%. Dang, look at it go. Yeah, YFI, Yearn Finance. You can see we had started this nice little trend to the upside, and we are in one of those crazy little parabolic bull flags. Crazy little parabolic bull flag. Could take you some time to get to it, but you're looking at, if you break out from this, the measured move is $10,843. But there is not much trading volume in between those two levels. Not much at all. You can look in the past. Straight down, straight up. Wick. Straight down, straight up, straight down. What is to stop you from going straight up another 74%? I don't know what's there to stop you. So I do have an alert set here. This alert is locked and loaded. When I hear that alert go off, I'm more than likely going to want to jump in on this trade, because this is something that is beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. On the daily, we're being held down by the 200 simple moving average. So we need to break above that, break above resistance, hold support for a day. Hopefully it lasts for a day. Hopefully it lasts for a day, and then start moving to the upside. So we're going to see if this holds up, holds true. And yeah, this is what alt seasons look like if you have never seen an alt season. How these alts are moving is ridiculous. It's absolutely ridiculous, and I love it. Love it. Love it. Because also it makes trading really, really easy. Oh boy, this thing really doesn't want to fill my order, does it? It's just out here teasing me. Just doesn't want to get up there. You broke out once, didn't hit it. You came all the way down. A false bearish breakdown. Came back up. You're holding as support. You're not doing anything. What are we doing here? I guess the FTM whales, they already accumulated. They're not worried about it, apparently. Apparently. GRT has officially broken out, I believe. And it's running. Look at the back test. This is what I was talking about. So you broke out, you back tested, that was your entry to get in on this the rest of this move. I mean, that is just absolutely insane. 11% upside, still capable. That's crazy. I can get rid of this now. I'm not in the trade. I don't care. I'm not in the trade. Should have been. It's moving fast. Should have been. I'm not. I'm not. I'm in this trade where everyone forgot where their wallet was. They're probably in GRT. One that I was in last night that I'm a little disappointed in myself for getting out of. Oh, not disappointed at all. We're good. We're good. We are good. We're just. Oh, you even tried breaking out again? Nice. All right, lit. Lit. You are right underneath resistance. Right underneath it. Well, I need to get out of the 15-minute when I show these. Holy. Looking at me like, oh my god, what a move. Anyways, you broke out. You hit resistance. You have not fully back tested yet. That's why I have the. That was my original stop loss when I was in it last night while I was sleeping. Nice and deep. Just saying. But yeah, you haven't formally back tested yet. Whoa, I don't want that. Okay. You haven't formally back tested yet on the 4 hour. You're starting, just beginning to get into that overbought territory. So I was looking for this back test. That's why the alert's there. However, if you don't get the back test, you're looking at anywhere between 24% and 55% upside. Now the problem with this token, it's very illiquid, so you do get these crazy wicks on it. So just be careful if you're trying to trade this. Just be careful. Be very careful. Be very careful. Aptos, I mentioned it yesterday. This was a prime opportunity to get in back when we back tested down here. Yesterday, day before, whenever I was live last. Maybe it was the day before. I don't know. But Aptos, as I said before, 57% upside potential. I am not currently in this trade anymore. I took profit right here at 16.17 because I did see the pullback. However, I might get back in. We have a nice supply line that is actually holding. That's surprising to me. That's actually very surprising to me. Noted your stochastic on the 4 hour is getting to overbought territory. You could see another draw down just because the daily is a bit overbought. Just like you're in overbought territory. You're trying to reset. So it wouldn't be completely out of the cards to see another pull down, maybe even touch this level of support. That point would be a great spot to get in. If these two levels don't hold, then you're looking at this level at 9.8838. But yeah, I definitely think this is going to have a great move to the upside. It's just, oof. Oh, Discord people. I didn't even look at this because, yeah, I'm just holding it. Lido. All the Discord people saw this. All the Discord people saw this. Lido. And also, you can see what pattern we're in. It's that same bull flag where you're seeing all over the market. It's everywhere. 235% upon breakout was your measured move. But guess what? If we break out of this, we have a new all-time high. And we have a crazy move ahead of us, which could possibly be our fib. I'm saying possibly because I haven't pulled the fib out yet. Let's pull the fib. Pull the fib. Got the fib. It's above our fib. It's above. Oh my goodness. Lido Finance. Don't sleep on it. Don't sleep on it. It's up 20% today. Do not sleep on Lido. Do not sleep on Lido. Yeah. FTM's taking its sweet time, I swear. Chili's finally broke. Chili's finally broke. Thank goodness. If we look at our 15-minute, so this is what I was meaning when I said you need the break, you need the back test. You got the break, you got the back test. You back tested again for good measure. You are moving on up. This is your price target up here. We're going to see if we can hold this, if we can hold, because you're moving straight up 6%. And if it decides to keep going, you're looking at this demand line at what, 188. 0.05, something around there. It's down sloping, so it's forever moving. But that's what you're looking at. That's what you're looking at. Anyways, I don't have any requests going on right now. I just wanted to pop in here. It's been about 30 minutes of me just degenning around, looking at all the charts. Hopefully, you all are having a great time with this pump day. Hopefully, you have your stop losses. Hopefully, you have your profit taking. And yeah, join the Discord. Links down below. Drop a follow on Twitter. Do all the good stuff. Maybe even like this video. I will catch you later. And oh, in the Discord, drop some requests. Always happy to do something with the requests. Whether it just be showing you the chart because it already mooned, or making a video just for you. Anyways, I'm out of here. Take it easy.